What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on Wix. A landing page is basically a one-page website designed for a specific goal. Let's say you do not want to create an online store, however you have a physical store and you only want to create like a page or a one-page website to just let people know of your business and maybe add your store location and some details about your business. And maybe you just want to collect like emails to let people subscribe to your newsletter or let people subscribe to your like digital service, or you have only one product and you want to sell. So you want to create a one-page website that's called a landing page, and it's pretty easy to do so on Wix. First of all, you need to go to the Wix website, that's wix.com, and I've already created an account, and this is my account right here, and these are the page or the website, sorry, that I created earlier. If you have already created websites, they should appear here. However, for this video, we want to create a new website. So let's click here on create new site. Here we are creating with Wix Studio. However, we can go ahead and build the website or create the website or edit it with the editor X. So I'll just stick with Wix Studio for now. We can start with a blank canvas, so we can build our website from scratch, or start from a template, which is much easier. So let's click on start from a template. It'll open like the template gallery in a new tab. And these are the templates, or this is the template gallery. You can start here from a blank canvas or like a blank template. And here we can choose by type. So we can filter them by type. So here, e-commerce portfolio, one page, that's the type that we want, and company site. So let's go here and click on one page, websites. And here you have many templates to choose from. So let's say we want to create a landing page like to like let people know about your services, so, or your app. So that's an app landing page. Let's you can click here to view it. It'll open any new tab, or you can click on edit to edit it. And you can also get the landing page wireframe. That's basically like a template. It's something between a blank canvas and a template. It's not really blank because it has placeholders for like images, text, and blocks and so on. However, it is not like a ready-made template with all the text styles, colors, and so on. So for this video, as I told you, I can select a page from here. We can go for this one, or coming soon, if you are like launching a website or a service or a like an application, you can use this type of page. However, we will just go with this one. So I'll click on edit. It'll open in a new tab in the editor. Okay, now our page is loaded in the editor. As you can see here, we have many options. Like this is the header with the logo and your website name or your business name. And then you have three buttons like the about, the reviews, the contact, and you have here a call to action button to download the app. So as I told you, this is a page to like let people download the app. It's created for this sole purpose of letting people download your app. So here you have like a title, and this block is the title, and the button to download the app, and the about section, and some info, and then the footer with the contact info, the follow us, the social media, and some other information. Now let's you can click on any element here to edit it, or you can add elements. So if I click on the plus icon, I can add new elements. So an image or new block, image, title, paragraph, video, container, button, gallery, menu, and so on. And here I can add entire sections, like a welcome section, an about section, a service, and these are ready-made with all the colors and styles and so on. A products, services, project, testimonials, and banners. So let's add a welcome section. So let's add this one, and you can just drag it and drop it wherever. Once you go here, you can see where it'll be. It'll be like between these two sections right here. And if I let it go, okay, it's added below the section. Okay, no problems. We can always rearrange it. So you can click here to select the section, and you can go ahead and resize it if you want to. And I can also just go ahead. So this is like many sections. We can go ahead and select any section to edit it. So let's select the header. I can go ahead and select edit these sections right here. So the manage menu, I can click on it. Here it's about, there's about, reviews, and contacts. I can edit like the specific text. So let's say I want to replace about with like about us. So I can click here to rename. Let's say about us. Okay, as you can see, it's changed in real time. I can delete certain segments. So let's remove from menu, remove contacts. It's removed. And I can also change the position here of this section right here as I want. Okay, let's leave it right here. And here I can select, like click on the logo or change it here and change the fill color. So let's change the vector art. I can upload a logo or like media from Wix. So I can upload media, upload from my computer, add my own logo. So go to downloads and then add my own logo right here. Open it. Or I can choose some provided by Wix. So it's uploading my logo right here. Actually, let's, like for the sake of time, let's close the upload and let's go with this random icon. Click on add to page. And as you can see, it's added. Now I can change the name here to the name of my business. So let's type in how to simple. Okay, looking good. And I can also edit for this text right here. I can like highlight it. I can edit the text theme. So like heading 1, 2, 3, or 4. So let's say heading 3. I can change the font as well. And I can change the text color. Let's make it a blue color, a bright blue. And here I can add styles, so like bold, make it bold, italic. Let's make it italic. Scaling, position, and so on. So let's scroll down. Here, the main body, I can click on it. And here in the media, I can view the video. That's the video that will be automatically playing. I can view it here. So it's a nice animation. I can change it if I want to, or I can delete it. Or I can, if I delete it, the background color will appear. And I can change the opacity as well. So make it like translucent or semi-transparent. The playback speed, I can change it as well if I want to. If I click on change media, I can upload media or choose media from Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. So let's keep it as it is just for now. And I have checked playing in a loop, so it's a continuous smooth playback. I can edit the layout for these sections. So let's choose this layout right here. And here I have divided two sections on the top, so I can click to add media to each of these sections. And let's just undo that. And now the button itself. So here, if I click on it, the button, and then I can change the text and icon. So I can make it text only or icon only or text and icon. And if I choose here, let's go back, the text and icon option will appear. I can change the icon. So in the site files, it gives me some icons here, or actually one icon that, okay, it's uploaded right now. Mine is uploaded. I can go and choose media from Wix. And here I have like some basic shapes. I can choose app icons. Okay, let's choose something that can reflect like an app. Okay, let's actually choose this one. So download. Okay, looking good. Choose it. and it'll appear here next to the text. It's not visible because it's in white. So let's change the text and icon again, click on it. Okay. And here I can go to the section on the right. Let's close this one. Go to the section on the right. Let's customize the fill. Okay, this is the fill for the button itself, for the background, for the text, and if okay, that's the icon. Here it is. Let's change the color to like a black. Okay, I can also, as you saw, edit the layout, edit the shadow, add shadows, or maybe you want to add one. Okay, edit the shadow style. The corners, they are round. Okay, they look good as they are. Now the borders, the text itself, show text, and edit the text color and the background fill. Here you can make like the background another color. Okay, looking good. Here we can add also the text and the image for the section, and we can click on the plus icon to add sections. As you go, it added a blank section. I can choose how to split it and add elements in each new like block here. Okay, let's leave it as it is. And here about the app. Okay, and some photos, some info. Of course, as I told you, we can edit, click on like any segment to edit it. And here some images. Here edit in the columns, we have columns. We can go to rows to like portray them or let them be seen as like rows stacked on top of each others. Okay, actually let's undo this, or let's click on it, and here let's choose columns as they were. Okay. And now let's add the link to the button. We want to add link to the download app here button, so that when visitors click on it, they are redirected to your like download page. So here I can add a link. Which page? Here it's linked by default to home. I can anchor this page to download here, which anchor. So we can deselect here what you want to do with the link. So it's none. Go to a page, go to a web address, go to a document, an email, stuff like that. So let's make it go to a web address, and you want to enter the URL for the page with the download, where you can download your like app. So we can add an option for one button for iOS to and enter the link for your app on the like App Store, and another button for like Android, and then add the link for your app on the Play Store so that people can download your app. So once you are happy with all the settings that you made, you can click here to preview, and then scroll down to see how your website will look like, and then click on publish once you are happy with your settings. So if I click on publish right here, I can select like my domain generated by Wix. And if I already purchased a custom domain, I can connect it here, then save and continue, and my landing page will be published. So that's how easy it is to create and edit landing pages on Wix.